Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom hover effects in Squarespace. This is a powerful way to add personality and interactivity to your website, making buttons and other elements respond dynamically when visitors move their cursor over them. Let's dive right in and see how this works. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Squarespace homepage where all your websites are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to edit and click on it to open the editor. Now that you're inside the editor, look for the website option in the main navigation menu and click it. This will expand a submenu with several choices. From there, click on Pages to access your site's page management area. This is where you can control the structure and content of your website. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find an option called Custom Code. Go ahead and click on it. Under the Custom Code section, you'll see Custom CSS listed. Click on that to open the CSS editor. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to write custom styling code that will apply hover effects to any element on your site. In the CSS editor, you'll see a text box where you can type your custom code. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a hover effect for buttons, but you can apply the same approach to other elements as well. Let's start with a simple example. Type in this code .sqs-block-button-element :hover, open curly bracket, background-color :space, blue exclamation mark. Important close curly bracket. What this code does is change the button's background color to blue whenever someone hovers over it. Once you've entered the code, click Save at the top of the editor. Now, if you preview your site or navigate to a page with buttons, you'll notice that when you hover your cursor over a button, its background smoothly transitions to blue. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in user experience. Want to try a different color? Let's change it to red. Simply go back to your CSS code and replace blue with red in the same line. So it should now read background-color: space red exclamation mark. Important. Click Save again and you'll see the hover effect immediately update to red when you test it on your site. And that's essentially how you create custom hover effects in Squarespace. The key is to identify the element you want to style, write the appropriate CSS code targeting that element with the :hover selector, and apply your desired styling properties. You can experiment with different colors, transitions, shadows, or even scaling effects to make your website truly stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.